Hi guys! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video guys, meron po tayong updates tungkol po dito kay Miss Maymay Entrata. Yes guys, Mama Entrata is share with her travel essential. Ayan guys, nag-share po si Mama Entrata sa kanyang travel essential. So, yun guys. So, this is the first time guys, isang video na nagsasalita po si Mama Entrata ng all English. Ayan guys. Mula po ito guys sa MEX na kung saan sinishare po ni Mama Entrata ang kanyang, ano nga ba yung kanyang travel essential na sinasabi. Ayan guys. Lagi niya kasama ito tuwing siya ay nagta-travel out of the country. So, ayan guys, panoorin po natin guys ang video na to at of course, huwag niyong kalimutan guys, mag-subscribe kayo sa ating YouTube channel. Have regarding video, Mama Entrata Travel Essential.
Ready? This is a raffle, ha? This is like a candy that will help soothe your throat. My throat po is very, talaga po, like, so dry. It gets easily hurt po because I have acid. When you have acid and you don't drink a lot of water, the acid it's go to the throat and it's babay na. Next! Effective for me talaga. Everyone is sick, hugging me. I am okay. If I'm not going to eat this after my meal, I'm gonna be like pururut. You know pururut? Can you give me some? That's not health issues. Hello po! This is Maymay Entrata and you're watching Mix. And this is my top 10 travel essentials.